Hello and welcome back. I am Vandana and we are learning English grammar of class 5. This is Magic Mind series by Galaxy Publication and here is a book, Pebbles of Grammar. Let's start chapter number 23, Direct and Indirect Speech. Let's move on to Let's Learn. So look at the following sentences. यहाँ पे कुछ sentences दिए हैं, उन्हें हमें देखना है. First one is James said, French is an easy language. And the second one is James said that French was an easy language. So both the sentences say the same thing. In these sentences we observe that there are two ways of saying what somebody said. दो तरीके दिए गए हैं कि कोई भी इंसान किसी बात को कैसे बताता है. So sentence 1 shows the exact words as the speaker said. Sentence 1 बताता है exact वो words जो कि speaker कह रहा है. And this is direct speech. ये direct speech है. We use inverted commas to mark off the exact words of the speaker. हम जो है क्या करते हैं, हम inverted commas को use करते हैं mark करने के लिए जो भी exact words होते हैं speaker के, उसके लिए, जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Sentence 2 shows that the words of the speaker are changed without quoting. So sentence 2 अगर हम देखें तो हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे जो quotation mark यहाँ लग रहा था यहाँ पे missing है, यहाँ पे नहीं है. And this is indirect speech. इसे ही indirect speech कहते हैं. So the statements in indirect speech contain words of the speaker that are reported by someone else. ये जो स्टेटमेंट्स होते हैं इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच के, उसमें जो है आपको वर्ड्स मिलेंगे जो कि स्पीकर द्वारा बोले जाते हैं, किसमें, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में, एंड वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो कोई और बोल रहा है. सो द टेंस ऑफ द वर्ब इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ द वर्ब एज द एक्चुअल स्पीकर हैड यूज्ड इट. सो जो टेंस यहाँ पे यूज करते हैं हम इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में, वो अलग होता है उस वर्ब से जो कि एक्चुअली स्पीकर ने बोले हुए हैं. सो हियर यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल इज गिवन दैट जॉन सेड फ्रेंच इज एन इजी लैंग्वेज. तो यहाँ पे जो जॉन सेड है ये रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है एंड फ्रेंच इज एन इजी लैंग्वेज ये रिपोर्टेड स्पीच कहलाता है. सो द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है. The reported speech is put within inverted commas. Reported speech को हमेशा हम inverted commas के अंदर लिखते हैं. And indirect speech is also called reported speech. Indirect speech को हम reported speech भी कहते हैं. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. कुछ rules हैं जिससे हम change कर सकते हैं direct speech को indirect speech में. तो पहला रूल कहता है simple present changes to simple past. सिंपल प्रेजेंट जो है चेंज होके सिंपल पास्ट में जाता है. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट दोनों दिया है, जैसे कि अनिल सेड आई एम नॉट वेल, और जब हम इसे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में लिखते हैं हम कहेंगे अनिल सेड दैट ही वाज नॉट वेल. तो आई का यहाँ पे ही बन जाएगा, ही वाज नॉट वेल. नेक्स्ट, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस चेंजेस टू पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. जो प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस है वो पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में बदल जाता है. For example, Anil said, I am not feeling well. And in indirect speech, we can write Anil said that he was not feeling well. So, am not feeling well को आप देख सकते हैं was not feeling well में हमने convert कर दिया है. Next rule says that present perfect changes to past perfect. So, present perfect में कोई चीज़ है तो वो past perfect में change हो जाएगी. For example, Anil said, I have seen the Taj Mahal. And indirect speech में क्या हो जाएगा, have seen बन जाएगा had seen. So Anil said that he had seen the Taj Mahal. Now, when we talk about simple past tense, so simple past tense changes to past perfect. Simple past जो है past perfect में convert हो जाता है. And the sentence in direct speech is he said the dog died in the night. So when we change this simple past to past perfect we use he said that the dog died in the night. Next, will, can, may changes to would, could, might. will, can, may जो है change होके will बन जाता है would, can बन जाता है could and may बन जाता है might respectively. So let's move on to the direct sentence. So Anju said, I will go to Delhi. And the indirect speech said that Anju said that she would go to Delhi. तो यहाँ पे जो will था वो क्या बन गया? Would बन गया. So now let's move on to changes in reporting verb. अब reporting verb में क्या क्या changes आते हैं? So when the reporting verb is in the present tense, जब reporting verb जो present tense में होता है, the tense does not change. So tense इस समय change नहीं होता. जैसे कि the teacher says, तो यहाँ पे भी हम the teacher says लिखेंगे. Rakhi is a good girl. That Rakhi is a good girl. When the reporting verb is in the past tense, जब reporting verb जो है past tense में हो, but the speaker speaks some universal truth, लेकिन speaker ने किसी universal truth की बात की है, then it retains its tense in indirect speech. तो ये क्या करता है? अपने tense को indirect speech में retain करता है. For example, the teacher said honesty is the best policy. अब honesty is the best policy एक universal truth है, तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे the teacher said that honesty is the best policy. So after revising all these rules, let's move on to let's practice. A exercise is rewrite the sentences using capital letters, quotations and punctuation marks. So the first one is, he said, I am glad to be here today. So what we have to write down here? We will write, he said, comma, quotation mark open, I am glad to be here today. Quotation mark close and then full stop. Next, second one, they said, after said we will put comma, then quotation mark open and then W capital, we will not go to Kashmir, and then full stop, quotation mark close. Third one, he shouted. After shouted we will put a comma and then quotation mark open. Let, L capital, let me go. Full stop, quotation mark close. Fourth one, Lata said, comma, quotation mark open, the cow gives tasty milk, and then full stop, quotation mark close. So like this, do the rest two questions yourself. Now let's move on to B exercise, which is change the following sentences into indirect speech. ये जो sentences हैं इन्हें हमें indirect speech में change करना है. First one is, he said to Shivani, I don't believe you. So we can write, he told Shivani, that he did not believe her. You का बन जाएगा her. Next, the teacher said the earth moves on its axis. So the answer will be, the teacher said that the earth moves on its axis. Next, third one, he said to me, I have, after told you not to play with fire? He told me that not to play with fire. Next, fourth one, Annie said, I have bought a new house. So the answer will be, Annie said that she had bought a new house. So these are the answers that you have to write down, and you have to do question number 5 and 6 yourself. Now let's move on to let's learn. So the first comes changes in pronouns. So the pronouns of the direct speech are changed when necessary. So pronouns जो भी होते हैं direct speech में वो accordingly जो है change किए जाते हैं so that their relation with the reporter and the hearer, ताकि इनका जो relation है reporter और hearer के साथ rather than with the original speaker are expressed. So here first you can see I, he और she बन जाता है, us, them बन जाता है, you बन जाता है he, she, we, they. Again we बन जाता है they, my becomes his, her, me becomes him, her, and our becomes their. Now look at the following examples. यहाँ पे examples के through इसे समझते हैं. First आप देख सकते हैं direct speech में he said I am an intelligent boy. So he की बात हो रही है, यहाँ पे I है तो हम यहाँ पे I को हमने he में convert कर दिया. So he said that he was an intelligent boy. Next, second one, she said I am an intelligent girl. अब यहाँ पे she की बात हो रही है, so we will write here she said that she was an intelligent girl. Now third one, you said I am an intelligent boy. अब यहाँ पे you की बात हो रही है तो you के साथ आप देख सकते हैं क्या लिख सकते हैं he, she, we, they. So you said that you were an intelligent boy. Next, question number 4. He said to me, you are a good person. So he ने बोला है you से. So for he you can see we have written he told me that I was a good person. So he ने I से बोला. Next, fifth one. She said to him, I will drop you. She ने him से कहा कि मैं तुम्हें छोड़ दूंगी. तो यहाँ पे मैं कौन है? She. तो हम लिखेंगे she told him that she would drop you की जगह him आ जाएगा. Next, we said they will win the match. So यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे we said that they will का बन जाएगा would, they would win the match. Next, let's move on to rules for changing words denoting time and place. Rules पढ़ेंगे जो कि क्या करते हैं time और place को जो भी denote करते हैं words वो कैसे change होते हैं. So words expressing nearness in reported speech are generally changed into words expressing distance. वो words जो पास की चीज़ों को बताते हैं reported speech में उन्हें हम express करते हैं distance में. So here let's move on to study the table. Direct speech, indirect speech is given. So today अगर लिखा है direct speech में तो वो बन जाएगा that day. Tonight बन जाएगा that night. Yesterday बन जाएगा the previous day. Tomorrow बन जाएगा the next day. Similarly this बन जाएगा that. Here बन जाएगा there. Now बन जाएगा then. And similarly thus बन जाएगा so. Now look at these examples. Examples के through आपको समझाया गया है. तो पहले हम देख सकते हैं example में कि direct speech में लिखा है she said I like this dress. तो हमने पढ़ा था कि this का बन जाता है that. तो यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं लिखा है she said that she liked that dress. Similarly Radha said I am glad to be here. So here का क्या बनेगा there. So sentence will be Radha said that she was glad to be there. Next, he said to me I will come tomorrow. तो tomorrow का क्या था, हमने tomorrow का लिखेंगे the next day. So he told me that he would come the next day. So ऐसे हमें क्या करना है, sentences में इन्हें insert करना है. So let's quickly move on to book exercise, which is let's practice. So C exercise is change the following sentences into indirect speech. ये जो sentences हैं इन्हें हमें indirect speech में convert करना है. So the first one is Johnny said, "I'm going to win the match." So here we will write Johnny said that, क्योंकि जॉनी की बात हो रही तो हम लिखेंगे he, M का बन जाएगा was, he was going to win the match. Now the second one is he said to me, "You should come to my house today." So it will be he told me that, you का बन जाएगा I should go to, कम का हो जाएगा go to his house, today बन जाएगा that day. Third one, she said you may go now. So the answer will be she said that. You कौन है, सामने वाला person, so she is talking to that I, so I might, may का बन जाएगा might go then, now का बन गया then. Fourth one, he said I will participate in the match. So here the answer will be he said that, I हो जाएगा he, will का हो जाएगा would, participate in the match. Fifth one, he said I can solve this crossword puzzle. So he said that, I बन जाएगा he, can का बन जाएगा could, solve the crossword puzzle. Next, sixth one, mother said I met my old friend in the market, and the answer is mother said that, I हो जाएगा she, क्योंकि mother की बात हो रही है, she had met, my का हो जाएगा her old friend in the market. Seventh one, he said to me I have seen Kashmir, and the answer is he told me that, he have हो जाएगा had, he had seen Kashmir. Question number 8, he said to him I am unable to come just now as I am busy. So answer will be he told him that, I हो जाएगा he, was, am का हो जाएगा was, unable to come just then, just now हो जाएगा just then, as he was busy. Next, ninth one, she said they will go as soon as possible. So the answer is she said that they will का हो जाएगा would, go as soon as possible. So these are the answers that you have to write down, and you have to do question number 10, 11 yourself. So these are the answers, and you have to do question number 10 and 11 yourself. With this, we have completed the chapter. I hope you understood it. I'll be meeting you soon with a new video and a new chapter. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.